This video is going viral right now. Local foreigners and some Japanese activists are holding protests at train stations, demanding we want Japanese people to sit next to us on the train. They are calling it Gaijin's Train Matters. Let's go ask them.
When I ride the train, Japanese people don't sit next to me. I don't understand. I take a shower every day. I don't smell bad. I'm wearing cologne. I smell great.
When I sit on the train, nobody sits next to me and I don't understand why, man. Look at me. I'm stylish. I use very expensive perfume from London, Jo Malone. Great perfume, so expensive. I shower 4 times in the morning. I don't understand why the Japanese people don't sit against me. I just think they just don't like black people. It's clearly discrimination, man. I don't like it.
Hey, Japanese, sit next to foreigners on the train.
Gaijin trains matter. Gaijin trains matter.
コースキツくっさ
Foreigners, listen. If you want Japanese people to sit next to you on the train, please stop using too much perfume. For Japanese people, strong cologne smells just like an old man's kareishu or body odor. Imagine this.
Oh, what's that smell? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Listen, foreigners. We Japanese are not racist. We are smellist.
Shut the fuck up.
Meshida? Meshida?